St. Clair County Department of Veterans Affairs has been assisting and prioritizing the people who have served our country for over 75 years. Let's learn about how they are impacting the lives of our veterans.
So Veterans Affairs, at least the St. Clair County Department of Veterans Affairs, we are a millage-funded organization. So we are completely funded by the county and the county residents. So essentially what our purpose is to assist those residents, those millage payers, everybody in the county who really has any relationship with a veteran in helping them obtain benefits locally, through the state, or federally. That said, we have a whole lot of other services, and I think I mentioned it before, it's such an advantage to be in this community, especially because we just have so many referral sources for housing, for emergency relief options. We have those through our office. We help apply for state and federal grants. Basically, anytime a veteran is unhoused or housing insecure, we can refer them out for some help. We can request furnace repairs, roof repairs, you name it. The simple answer is just, if you're a veteran and you need help, give us a call and we'll do everything we can. So the easiest way to get a hold of us is phone directly, area code 810-989-6945, or our website, sccvet.us. Oh, and we are located physically, if you want to stop by, 200 Grand River Avenue, Port Huron, Michigan, 48060 in the County Administration Building.
I actually got into this field because I'm a veteran myself, and I have utilized a lot of the resources that are available to us as veterans, including using Veterans Health Administration for my health care. So it's very important for me to assist other veterans that are just going through this process, because I've been doing it for so many years for myself that I'm able to assist them in that manner.
I am a veteran. I was in the Air Force for 10 years. I joined in '98, got out in 2008, did one tour in Iraq. Got out, worked about 8 years for Pepsi and Frito-Lay, got tired of that, and I saw a job working with veterans came open, so I applied, because it sounded like something I would like to do. It means being able to take care of veterans, because the military is a dangerous job. It can be, whether it's wartime or peacetime. They can sustain injuries or diseases due to toxic exposures or even fatalities sometimes. And it's just important to take care of them and their loved ones when they come home. It's hard to navigate the paperwork and the bureaucracy of the federal government, so we're here to make that process easier.
To contact Veterans Affairs for assistance, you can go to their website or call them at 810-989-6945. For Lemcoast TV, I'm Melissa Painter.